Hello everyone, I'm Amanda Blanks and we're at Shoes of Hollywood. We have an amazing shoe to review today. This is an AMUSE-13 by Pleaser. I love the packaging in Pleaser high heels. They're always so gorgeous. This is one of the beige boxes and it's got the little butterflies all over it, just like the red ones. And the shoe we are reviewing today is the AMUSE-13. So this is a 5-inch heel with no platform at the front in a shiny black print. So I will just pull all the packaging off so you can see. These are a gorgeous USA shoe as well. Whoop. So as you can see, there's no platform at the front. 5.5 is pushing it to the limit of what you sort of want to be walking around in without a platform at the front, or else it will sort of be hurting your foot because you are on quite a steep angle, as you can see. And this one doesn't have a lot of grip like the other higher shoes at the front, but because you're all strapped in, you'll be feeling pretty secure. There's straps at the front and at the back, and it's adjustable, so you can make it as tight as you want. And then Pleaser are also really good at their packaging, keeping each shoe individually wrapped. You can keep these for afterwards if you want to keep the shoes in them so they don't get damaged if you're going anywhere. And then you also get a lovely little travel bag which you can put the heels in, and they are separated with some foam in the middle. It's got a drawstring. You can even use this for other things, like I like to put my swimmers in it if I'm going away. It's always handy, or you can use it as a wash bag. And the other shoe, so I'm doing this in a size 7, which is my normal shoe size. And these are just so cute. You can definitely wear them out and about to dinner or to the movies or somewhere where you'll be sitting down then getting back up, because they are a comfy shoe, but I don't believe you would want to be wearing them for like 7 hours straight standing on them. But yeah, we'll see how I feel when I put them on and how sore my feet get. But I think that they'll be fine. I am used to wearing shoes like this. I normally wear the single sole style shoes, and I've got a few like this that I own. Okay. And almost on. There we go, guys. So let's do a little bit of a walk and see how they feel. They're a really cute shoe. I love the straps around the front. I actually think I could wear these for a while. They don't feel too high, and because it's all strapped in, you really feel quite secure in them. Yeah, they're pretty comfy. And as you guys may have heard me say before, we are in Shoes of Hollywood, which is in northern Brisbane. If you're in the area, come and visit us, come and see all the amazing shoes we have here. And I did want to highlight there are a lot of shoes that don't have the massive platforms at the front like this one. So we've got all of these type of range here in the single sole, which is my preferred type of shoe. I actually have several of these. I have this style in red, that's why it's no longer here, because I have it. And there are a lot of reviews on these other types here, and these ones down here that are the single soles. So look through our videos to see them. And there's even ones like this which are super cute but very high in a single sole, and I love that bow. And then these ones, guys, are a new one in, this is a very Barbie doll vibes. So there's some new stock coming in, so there'll be a lot of like great new videos coming out. I'm really excited to try some of the new ones in. So let me know what you're thinking of the video as well. I love to hear from you guys and see what you're liking, what you want to see more of. We're going to take these shoes outside so you can see them in the light a bit better as well. And make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and the bell so you never miss a video. So they're pretty easy to walk in. The straps over my toes are a little bit tight, but apart from that, it's okay. I think once you wear them a few times, it'll be fine. Okay. So we're just going to head back inside now, guys. I hope you like seeing these shoes outside and how they are to walk in. They're pretty easy to walk in because they're not too high. This is a 5-inch in a single sole. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think about these shoes. This is the AMUSE-13 from Pleaser. A gorgeous little strappy black heel that you can wear with a lot of different outfits. I think the straps really make it dressy, and you can match it with things that are a little bit more casual. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Amanda and we'll see you in one of our next videos. Bye!